Welcome, here I've got Doogee S88 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, as you can see. Now let me try to use them to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's tap to the right corner button to get access to more options about the camera. And here we have the volume keys button. So when we tap on it, we can decide to use volume keys as shoot, which is now zoom or volume. Now let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different, and let me try to use them once again. As you can see, now I can get closer to my subject and also go back by tapping on the volume keys so I can use zoom. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.